Okay, good morning everyone. Today's the 15th of March 2018. Welcome to JFD Brokers Traders Espresso with me, Darius Luchauskas. We're gonna have a quick run through the markets, see what levels to watch out for today. But before we continue, as always, please have a read through our risk disclaimer. So JFD Brokers offers exclusively consultancy-free services. The content of this webinar does not constitute investment advice or investment recommendation and does not in any way constitute an invitation to acquire any financial instrument or product. I'll just give you a few seconds to read the rest and yeah, we can continue. Also, just a quick reminder of our JFD Brokers website, where you can click here on the JFD group and click on the JFD research page, and it will lead you to this page here, where you can find different analysis, different trading shoutouts, and just separate technical analysis that we do on a daily basis, and of course in different languages. So yeah, I mean, I hope you can find something useful here, guys. So please check us out. But now let's have a look at the charts. The first one that I wanted to look at is the DAX. Now, yesterday we were talking about, let me just zoom in here. So we were talking about this area right here at around 12,300. So that area was around the 50 EMA here on the 4-hour chart. We can see that it managed to bounce, well, hit it and it got rejected, and it managed to move lower now. So at the moment we are kind of stuck in this area between the 50 EMA here and actually even below the 21 EMA, and this low here of 12,160. So watch. At the moment we can see that the candle is turning bearish, it's turning black here. Of course anything can happen. If we get a move back down towards the 12,160 area, we'll keep an eye. If we'll see a break below this could get pushed lower, maybe towards the psychological 12,000 that we keep talking about. On the upside, of course, if we get a break of yesterday's high, let me just mark this one down for you guys. So it was around the 50 EMA, and that was around the 12,330. Let's round it out. If we'll get a move above this 12,330, then we can expect maybe a move back to this recent highs here in the beginning of the week, at around 12,450, 460 area. But like I said, we'll consider this area only if we get a move above the 12,330. At the moment, like I said, it's too early to make a call here. We need a move either to this area, the 12,160, or the 12,330. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Let's have a look at the euro quickly. The euro dollar. So euro dollar, still within this little triangle formation. So yesterday we were talking about this, that if the price will manage to get here towards this 200 EMA together with the 50 EMA, keep an eye on this one. So we got a bounce off of it, moved slightly higher, and now we're testing this little upwards moving support line. So keep an eye on this one because we're very close to it and the candle is bearish. So if we'll get a break below this, next short-term level that we're watching is the 123,450. So if we'll get a break here below this support line, it will move lower towards the 20. It could move lower towards the 23. 123,450, and if that doesn't hold, well, it's opening the path towards this these lower levels here, and there are plenty of support lines here. Probably the main one that we will be aiming for is this one here, which was the low of the 9th of March, so last week. So, and this level would be around the 122,700. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Well, 122,730, something like that, actually, to be more precise. So if we get a break, just to kind of sum up, if we get a break below the support line, watch out for the 123,450, and if that doesn't hold, well, like I said, be careful, and yeah, we could make a move lower, unless, like I said, unless it will start finding support somewhere around these areas here, maybe this 100 EMA as well. But then again, like I said, actually the kind of the broader path becomes like towards this area of 122,730. So keep an eye. If we get a bounce off of this support line and this level here at 123,650, where it's sitting at right now, we might get a move back up here towards this this line here, this downwards moving trend line that started on the on the 16th, around the 16th of February. So if we get a move back towards this one, keep an eye on this one. We might finally get a break above this, because just if we'll look at the general picture here, the this triangle formation, we are getting in, well, I wouldn't say squeezed, but we are within this apex, and we need a kind of a break either to the upside or to the downside here. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Okay, quickly let's have a look at the GBP USD. The pound, well, the pound is, well, it's of course it's looking stronger than the euro at the moment. It seems that it wants to continue moving higher. Now if we get a move towards the 140 psychological level of 140, then keep an eye on this one. If we get a strong break through it to the upside, well, this could open a path towards this first resistance line of 140,700, and then maybe higher towards the 141,500. So keep an eye on this one, guys. I mean, something's wrong with the video here. I do apologize, guys. Okay, so yeah, like I said, 140 is on our radars at the moment, so keep an eye on this one. On the downside, of course, if we get a move below these lows here at around 139,400, a break below this could lead the price towards the 139,100, this key level that we have mentioned in a couple of previous videos. Yep, like I said, 139,400, break below could push this price lower, maybe, like I said, towards the 139,100. So keep an eye on this one, guys, as well. There are some good breakout levels on the radar. So yeah, be careful with this one. Now, actually, let's have a look at the USD JPY. So USD JPY, slightly annoying, let's say like that, because it got back to its this downwards trend line, downwards moving trend line that we had since the 8th of January. We can see that it broke it, but now it's slightly above it, so it is being difficult right now. Maybe some could say that this is even like more of a bearish signal right now. So the only thing is, like I said, if we draw the trend line this way, we can see that it is bouncing off of it. It's at the moment, like I said, for us to consider further maybe bullishness in this pair, we would need a move back towards the 107 here. So a move above the 107 could open the path towards the 108. Now at the moment, yeah, it is trading at around 106, and it's not far from this area of 105,550 that we've mentioned before. So if we suddenly get a push lower excuse me, towards the 105,550. Well, keep an eye on this one because it could lead towards the psychological 105 that we've got around this area right here. So it is, like I said, that's why I'm saying that it is being difficult right now, and I wouldn't probably touch it right now. And but like I said, keep an eye on these important levels of 105,550. And of course, on the upside, the 107. Some could actually even say maybe we could consider maybe further upside if we get a break above this line. So that's around 106,500. Yep, could be potentially. That's probably more of a speculation, but yeah, he could keep an eye on this one. If it confirms a break above this, maybe we could get towards the 107. But at the moment, it's way below. It's below the even the 50 EMA here. So just keep an eye on especially on the 105,550 area. Okay, so quickly let's jump into one important one for today is the USD Swiss. US dollar Swiss. So okay, now we are seeing this upwards moving support line here, and it is being held, the price is being held here, and we can see that it seems that the price is bouncing off nicely off of it. So potentially maybe we could see some continuation to the upside, if like I said, just going from this trend line. Of course, it's too early to say now. We would consider further upside if we get a break above the 0.94900 area, so around this area right here. If we get a break, then the price could continue moving higher. The next resistance level could be this, the 0.95350 area, approximately, well, 350. Let's make it 400, the 0.95 400. Probably next good resistance level for this pair. Like I said, at the moment it's too early to make a call here. We need a better confirmation. And just to repeat myself again, right now a move above the 0.94900 could confirm further upside moves. A break above this, of course. On the downside, if we suddenly start seeing breaks below this trend line, probably, well, we could see maybe some more downside later on. But at the moment, like I said, we're just keeping an eye on this one, and I really strongly recommend to keep an eye on this one because we've got the news coming out soon from the SNB. Yeah, guys, I mean, keep an eye on this one. I know I repeated myself already, but yeah. So, okay, I think we're running out of time here, definitely. So I hope you have a good European session, guys. I hope you make a lot of pips today, and as always, yep, keep an eye on the price action. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.